Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject Mathematics.
Welcome back, students. I hope you are good and fine and finished your homework and classwork. And let us start our 8th online class for 5th standard mathematics, chapter 2, large numbers. Let us continue our chapter 2, forming smallest and greatest number. You are well know about how to form smallest and how to form greatest number by the given numbers, isn't it? Here you have let us see our first case. Case 1. Repetition of digit is not allowed. What is repetition? We have to write again and again. It is repetition, isn't it? So here it's not, repetition of digit is not allowed. That means you have to use the given number for one time. Okay, that is we have to write it as normal. Write the greatest 6-digit number using the digits 3, 2, 9, 5, 6 and 8 only once. Only once means you have to use this digit at one time only. Okay, first of all, what here is given? Greatest 6-digit number. Here you have 6 digits. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have 6 digits. So write the number as directly. Solution: the greatest 6-digit number by using the digits 3, 2, 9, 5, 6, 8 is. What is this? Greatest means you have to write the greatest number. What is the greatest number here? 9, next 8, next 6, then 5, 3, 2. Isn't it? 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2. We have write the greatest 6-digit number. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have 6-digit greatest number by using the given digit. Let us see the next problem. Example 10. Write the smallest 7-digit number by using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8 and 9 only once. Only once means you have to use this digit at one time only. Okay. However, you have to form the smallest 7-digit number. Check it. Whether you have smallest 5-digit number, 7-digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? You have 7 digits they given. Now we have to write the smallest 7-digit number by using the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9. Shall we write? First of all, you have to write the smallest one. Here 0 is the smallest, but according to this 7-digit number, smallest 7-digit means apart from 0, which is the smallest one? 2. So you have to write 2 first. Okay. Next you put the 0. Then 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. The smallest 7-digit number by using the given digit. What are they? 0, 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 9 is, first of all, you have to find the smallest number here. 0 is the smallest number, but you don't write 0 as the first number. Apart from 0, which is the smallest? 2. So you have to put 2 first. Then you put the 0. Next 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So this is the smallest 7-digit number that we have write. Case 2. Repetition of digit is allowed. In this case, you can repeat the given digit for your target. Here you have 8 digits. You want to repeat the digit to complete 8 digit. Okay. Example 1. Form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit numbers using each of your digit 2, 8, 0 and 1 twice. Twice means they given that you have to use the digit 2 times again. Okay. Here look at this question. You want to make greatest or smallest, any type of digit, any type of form, you have to make it as 8-digit number. But you have given with 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4-digit number they given for you. Okay. But they asked to make 8-digit number. So you have to repeat the digits for your 8-digit number. Solution. The greatest 8-digit number by using given digits. By using the given digit, what they are given, 2, 8, 0 and 1, to form a greatest digit. Listen here. First of all, you have to find, this is the greatest number, isn't it? So first, what is the greatest number? 8. Okay. So you have to put the 8 twice. Here they given twice. So you have to write 8 as twice. 2 times you have to write. Okay. Next, after that 8, which is greater? 2 is greater. So you have to put 2 times. Next 1 time. Next 0 2 times. Count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got the 8-digit greatest number. Next you want to make the smallest 8-digit number. For this, what is the smallest digits? Apart from 0, which is the smallest digit? 1. So you have to put the 1 2 times. Next 0. Sorry, here you have to put 1 time. Next you have to put the 0 2 times. After that you have to put 1. Okay. Next, 2 8. Why we want to put here like this? For example, I write like this. Here 1 0 0 2 8. How can you spell this number? First, separate this. 1 crore 10 lakh, isn't it? 1 crore 10 lakh 2288. Okay. But if you write like this, listen here, what is the number? 1 crore, there is no lakh place. Okay, but here lakh place is 10. Here there is no lakh place, 12,288. So which is smaller? This one is the smaller. So you have to write like this. What do you have to do? First you write the 1 time. Next, you have to put the 0 2 times. After that, you have to fill the 1. Okay. Next, 2 8. So, you have to got the smallest 8-digit number. Next one, self-practice 2B. Fourth problem, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. You will know about how to form the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger. Small to bigger. Okay. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. For this, you have to find the solution. Line up the given numbers to their place values. Like this, you have to arrange the place values and fill the numbers. Line up the numbers according to their place values. And count and put the digits. How many digits you have? The crore means you put 8 digit. Here also crore places. So 8 digit. Here 10 lakhs. So 7 digit. Here crore 8 digit. You have to find first which is smaller. Can you find which is smaller? Yeah. So first of all, you have to write the smallest number 7 digit. What is this? 77 lakh 98,422. Okay. Which is less than. Next, you have 8 3-digit number. Isn't it? 8 3-digit number. So see that 8-digit number. Here you have 6 3 9. So which is smaller? You have to find the smaller. So we know that 3 is smaller than these two numbers. So you have to write this number. 3 crore 84 lakh 1000 places 0. So next 316. Which is less than? After that 3, which is greater? Next 6 is greater. Can you find? Next 6 crore 46 lakhs 29,717. After that you have only this one. So which is less than? 9 crore 1 lakh 610. So we can form the ascending order. Numbers in descending order. You have given 4 numbers. Here what are they? 8 crore 98 lakh 70,542. 40 lakh 796, 60 lakh 18,980 and 2 crore 43 lakh 98,764. First of all, you have to line up the given numbers in their place values and look at these ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 lakh. You have to arrange the numbers and number of digits. You have to arrange line up the numbers from ones place alone, not from 10 crore place. You have to